By 1990, there was a critical mass of scientists working in the area of fatty acids. It was a lot of excitement and a great deal of interest, and we began to become friends in various parts of the world because after the 1985 conference, other conferences were held by the same group in various parts of the world, such as Switzerland and France and Italy, so that in 1990 it became obvious that what we needed was to establish a society that will have a board, it will have a membership, and it will hold annual meetings. So Dr. Leaf and I sat down and wrote up a protocol that eventually incorporated the various components of the society in terms of bylaws. And the society was officially established in Massachusetts, founded by Dr. Leaf and myself. We had a board of directors. Dr. Leaf became president, and I became secretary-treasurer. The society from 1990 on was operating out of our Center of Genetics, Nutrition, and Health in Washington, D.C., and we operated the society for the first 7 years. We had a newsletter, but I would like to tell you the important concepts that Dr. Leaf and I wanted to emphasize. It became very obvious, if we're going to have a society, we need to have 3 groups working very closely with each other. The academic scientists that carry the work, industry that has a great deal of interest in incorporating the research data into foods and other aspects, and of course government. So that we recommended that there should be a committee of government representatives that would have a chairman who would be sitting on the board of ISSFAL, and a committee of industry representatives whose chairman will also be sitting on the committee, on the board of ISSFAL. At the very first Congress in '85, we had exactly that. We had industry, government, and academia. This becomes very important because you want the society to maintain the scientific basis of research. You also want the society to be able to work with government representatives in expanding research as well as emphasizing policy. And you also want a society that will be able to work with industry, so industry statements and products are consistent with the best scientific base. The reason we called it the International Society for the Study of Fatty Acids and Lipids is because we didn't want to limit it to polyunsaturated fatty acids, but truly expand the research to include all fatty acids and lipids. So as one of the 2 founding members, I am very pleased to see the society flourishing.